This is the Shangri-La hallway on the garden wing. Ganda, bago yung carpet. Well, this is another view. And yun, ang swimming pool ng siya. Look, the old Shangri-La, the Westin Plaza, the Richmond Hotel. Ayan, ang ganda ng swimming pool. Oh. Ang daming naliligo. Ang daming mga bata. So, who's to say the economy is not booming? Nagbo-boom talaga yung economy. Local tourism is alive. Look at that. Shangri-La is one of the beautiful places to see in Metro Manila. One of the nicest hotel. Good landscape. Ang ganda ng garden. Na-maintain nila yung tropical atmosphere. Like the real Shangri-La book.